morning students of standard 12. Welcome in day 14. As you know that in day 13 I have started new exercise 3A, in which I have solved some questions and I have given to you as a homework to solve 1 to 20 questions, and I hope you have done all the questions. Today I will continue this exercise from question number 21. So let us see question number 21. Okay. See here, you have to find the integration of dx by 3 minus 2x minus x square. Okay. First of all, you will change this term a square minus x square in the form of, or in the form of a square plus x square, or x square minus x like this. Okay. That means you have to apply here also three formulas which I have already derived before starting the exercise. Okay. So let us see how it will solve. Let I is equal to dx integration dx by 3 minus 2x minus x square. Okay. Then I is equal to integration dx by 3 minus, you will take minus as a common, then it becomes 2x plus x square. Okay. Now integration dx by, now you will convert into a plus b whole square. Okay. This is 2ab. Okay. So 3 minus, this is a x square, plus you will add 1 square. Okay. You will add itself 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b, this becomes a, this becomes b. Okay. 2ab, 2x, you will add 1 square, it becomes 1 plus 1, then it balance by minus 1. Okay. Now integration dx minus 1 into minus plus 1, it becomes plus 1 minus x square plus 1 square plus 2ab. Okay. Now integration dx by 3 plus 1, 4 minus a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, x plus b is here 1, x plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now integration dx by, it becomes 2 square, 2 square minus x plus 1 whole square. I have derived the formula a square minus x square, then result will be 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a, a becomes 2 into 2 log x plus a, sorry, a plus x, a is here 2 plus x. Okay. X plus 1 by a minus x, 2 minus x plus 1 plus constant term. So it becomes 1 by 4 log 3, 2 plus 1, 3 plus x by 2 minus 1, 1 minus x. So this is your final answer. Now let us see next question. Students, see question number 30. You have to find the integration of dx by 2 plus sine square x. Okay. So let's suppose I is equal to dx integration dx by 2 plus sine square x. Okay. Then I is equal to integration, you will divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, dx by cos square x by 2 plus sine square x by cos square x. Okay. Then integration 1 by cos sec square x dx by, you will separate the term 2 by cos square x sin square by cos square x. Okay. Now it becomes sec square x dx by 2 sec square x 1 by cos sec square x plus sin by cos tan square x. Okay. Now integration sec square x dx. Now you will convert sec square into tan square. You know sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That means sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So 2 1 plus tan square x plus tan square x. Now integration sec square x dx, 2 1 are 2, 2 tan square x plus tan square x. That means you have to find the integration of sec square x dx by 2 plus 2 1 3 tan square x. Okay. Now let us assume tan x is equal to t. Let tan x is equal to t, and then after you will find the further derivative of this equation. D by dx tan x is equal to dt by dx. You know further derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x dx is equal to dt. Okay. Now put the value of this equation. I is equal to sec square x dx. Sec square x dx is equal to dt. So you will put here dt 2 plus 3 tan square x 2 plus 3 and tan is equal to t, so this is 3t square. Okay, now you will separate the term t square, so you will divide and multiply with 3 in denominator. So I is equal to integration dt by 3 into 2 plus 3 square by 3. Now this is constant term, so I is equal to 1 by 3 integration dt by, now separate the term, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 3 cancel out, t square. Okay, now I is equal to 1 by 3, it becomes 1 by 3 integration dt by, you will change root 2 by root 3 whole square, then it becomes 2 by 3. So you can write as root under root 2 by 3 whole square plus t square. And you know the formula of how to find the integration of such a function, a square plus x square, 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. 1 by 3 and 1 by a. 1 by a is root 3 by 2 by 3. Okay, tan inverse x by a, x is here t by a and the root 2 by 3 plus constant term. I is equal to this root 3 terms go to denominator, root 3 by, break the term 3, root 3 into root 3, this becomes root 2, root 3 cancel out, tan inverse root 3 goes to denominator under root 3 t by root 2 plus constant term. Then final answer is I is equal to 1 by root 3 into root 2, root 6, tan inverse root 3, put the value of t is equal to tan x. So root 3 tan x by root 2 plus constant term. Students, see question number 40. You have to find the integration of function sin 4x 1 by sin 4x plus cos 4x. Okay. So see here, let I is equal to integration dx by sin 4x plus cos 4x. I is equal to, you will divide numerator and denominator with cos 4x. Okay. Integration dx by cos 4x by cos sin 4x plus cos 4x by cos 4x. It becomes sec 4x dx, this becomes sin by cos, tan 4x, cos by cos, cancel out 1. Okay. Now sec square x, you will break the term sec 4x, sec square x into sec square x dx by tan 4x plus 1. You know sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x dot sec square x dx by tan 4x plus 1. Now let tan x is equal to t. Then you have to find the first derivative of this equation, d by dx tan x is equal to dt by dx. Tan x, first derivative of tan x, sec square x dx is equal to dt. That means sec square x dx is equal to dt. Then it becomes I is equal to 1 plus t square, sec square dx is equal to dt by t4, tan x is equal to t4 plus 1. Okay. Now each term, numerator and denominator, is divided by t square. 1 plus t square divided by t square, t4 plus 1 divided by t square dt. Now you will separate the term t square by t square, 1 by t square. Similarly in denominator, t to the power, 1 by t square, t to the power 4 by t to the power 2, it becomes t square by 1 plus t square. Okay. Now this becomes integration 1 by 1 plus t square dt by t minus 1 by t whole square plus 2. That means this can be written as a square plus b square. It can be written as a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Now let us assume t minus 1 by t is equal to z, and you will find the first derivative of this term, t dt by dt, it becomes 1, and 1 by t, this becomes minus 1 by t, this becomes plus 1 by t square. You have to study this in class 11. dt is equal to dz. Okay. Now put the value of in this equation, 1 plus t square dt. 1 plus t square dt is equal to dz. So you will put here dz by t minus 1 by t is equal to z square, and root 2 becomes root 2 whole square. Okay. Now you know a square plus x square, you have to find the integration of 1 by a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a is here root 2, 1 by root 2 tan inverse x by a, x here z by a root 2 plus consequent. 1 by root 2 tan inverse, put the value of z, that is equal to t minus 1 by t, t minus 1 by t by root 2, this is root 2, t minus 1 by t by root 2 plus constant term. So your final answer is 1 by root 2 tan inverse. Now put the value of t, t is equal to tan x minus 1 by t, 1 by tan x by root 2 plus c. Okay, this is your final answer. Students, today I have solved 3 questions of exercise 3a. This is the last question of exercise 3a. So today your homework is, you know very well, do exercise 3a. So homework for day 14, do all questions of exercise 3a. Okay, students. In next class, I will start exercise 3b. Today's class is over. Thanks to all of you to listen me. Have a nice day.